Hi everyone, I'm Joy at the 2024 Sea Otter Classic introducing RekPak, an ultralight meal for any endurance athletes. Within 6.6 ounces, you're getting 700 calories, 42 grams of protein and fats, and your daily vitamin mix to keep you fueled and going longer. We worked with a top sports nutritionist from the NFL to figure out what do endurance athletes need to keep them going. We take things like whole oat flour, flaxseed, collagen, whey protein isolate, sea salt, put it all together. So all you have to do is add water, shake it up, and you get a complete meal to go. We saw a hole in the market between lightweight, high nutrition, that's fast and convenient. Today we're bringing 3 flavors, vanilla chai, chocolate, and coffee from any athlete, whether you're a bike packer, an ultra cyclist, road riding, or a thru hiker. What sets RekPak apart is you get 42 grams of fat and protein in a liquid form. Your body can digest it right away, but those fats and proteins are going to be slow releasing energy throughout your ride. You know, we saw a hole in the market in the nutrition world. If you're trying to get a lot of protein on the go away from your kitchen, there's jerky on the market, or fats is nuts and sugars and carbs are goos. But we wanted something in a liquid form where our athletes could just add water, shake, and drink and get well-rounded, clean ingredients on the go to keep them fueled up for any adventure.